G'day guys, just off for a little explore today. Somewhere near Rotorua in a wee patch of forestry. Got no idea where this goes, I just sort of saw a little forestry thing off the back. Oh, I guess this is where it ends. But yeah, I thought I'd have a yarn today over while I'm excited for the 300 Rally and 300L, I'm not exactly going to be leaping to replace this bike. So let's go back here a wee bit and I'll go over the reasons why. So CRF250L Rally, finally got it sitting on its side stand. Why am I not keen to upgrade it to a 300? Well, money would be probably the main one. I've got a little bit of money invested in this one, but not a heck of a lot. It's got different handlebar, got an alloy one from Fly Racing, got bark busters, different tyres, but otherwise it's pretty much factory. That's actually a thing I put on there recently though. Tail tidy, RNG tail tidy. That just looks so much better, I reckon. Definitely helps preventing toddlers. I own two. They used to go and whack their heads and get nasty scratches on their heads from the Noah plate, so now that's up and out of the way. It's definitely worth the money, that. But the 300 Rally and L, are they worth the money for someone like me who's got a 250? I don't reckon they are. Like, don't get me wrong, they got some awesome parts going for them. The extra capacity, 249cc versus about 286 from memory. Decent jump in torque and power, better gearbox with a sort of closer ratio, 1:5. Definitely much more noticeable overdrive 6. That would be something I'd be keen to throw into this. The engines have the same overall casings and everything, it's just an evolution. So for instance, you could get a 300 motor and bolt it straight into a 250, or you could probably get the guts of it, most likely, and just chuck the guts into your existing 250 motor. Other things Honda's done, they have dropped the weight. There's been a decent weight loss between the 250 and the 300, but honestly, like, it's nice, but unless you're throwing your bike around picking it up every 5 minutes, you're not really going to notice it. It's only a couple of kilos. Slightly better ergonomics, slightly narrower frame. They've redone the frame entirely, it's narrower through here. Again, I have no issues with that. I have no issues getting my feet down. Suspension's not been upgraded noticeably. Those main upgrades they've done is bigger fuel tank by a couple of litres, which honestly would be nice. I get a bit of range anxiety with this on big trips. But yeah, overall, I don't think the 300, for someone like me who owns a 250, it's not enough to make me want to upgrade. So for now, I'm going to keep this bike, keep working at it. Got a few plans for the future. I know I keep saying in every second video I want to do the suspension, but I do have a line on that. I just need to get the $1,000 to the side, put away, so that I can take it down to Taupo to get it sorted. But yeah, suspension, want to get a B&B bash plate and a luggage rack for it, and then just ride the damn thing. So yeah, CRF250L Rally. I reckon it's just as good as the 300. Yes, the 300's got a bit more oomph, but if you just want to go out and enjoy riding, get yourself a 250, they're fine. So, on that high note, I think it's time for me to jump back on it and go and do just that.